Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove watermark from your PDF, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we already have an PDF where we have an watermark that says subscribe. So we just want to remove this one. How we can do it? So here I will search something that will be removed watermark from PDF, and let's search it. And here actually you will get couple of options to remove your online AI PDF. So I will click this one. I think this one quite good, so that's why I choose this one. And then I just need to choose my watermark profile PDF, and then I will select this one, and it will take a couple of minutes to upload it. So here you can see the watermark is happening here. So I will just select this one. So I don't think this was the was, so I just need to select this one, and here you can see we have this watermark. So how we can change this one? So here you just need to select this one, or there is a couple of options we have. There is no options, that is the problem. Remove watermark from PDF. Again, let's try to do it. Free online AI PDF watermark remover. Just click this one, and once I click this one, then here I just need to upload my files over that place, and let's see how is it really work or not. So here you can see, just click to the remove watermarks, and it will take a couple of minutes for the removing. So we just need to wait. So this is a way to remove your watermark. And just download, then click to the continue, and let's create an account here. Just click this one and select our Gmail address, and then click to the continue, and I hope it is already been complete to our account creation. Let's play this one, and here you can see it does not look so much good. So there is another way to do it. You just need to click over here and make it your Word file and upload your profile, or I mean the PDF, and then just click to the convert to PDF. Once you click over here, then it will convert it to the Word file, then download it. Once you download it, then here you will get these options for Word. And now here actually you can see that it already been opened, and now let's click to the close, and here you can easily just need to enable editing. Once you enable it, now you can change this watermark easily from that place. I hope you understand how easy the process was to remove the watermark. So we tried two methods. One method is not work, but another one is work. I hope you understand how easy the process was to remove the watermark from any PDF. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.